learners, let's do some math. Today is day 33 of our daily math packet. And number 1 says this: how many feet are in 4 yards? How many feet in 4 yards? So to know how many feet are in 4 yards, we first need to know how many feet are in 1 yard. And the answer to that is 3 feet in 1 yard. 3 feet equals 1 yard, okay? So now we can just do a multiplication problem because we know that there's 3 feet in 1 yard and we have 4 yards, so we simply do 3 times 4, which is 12. There are 12 feet in 4 yards. Right, feet there, 12 feet. It's going to have your unit there. Number 2, write the standard number. So we're going to call, as is written here, we're going to call this big block 100 and these small blocks 1. Okay, so standard number, since we have 100 and 4 ones, is 104, just like so. Okay, school starts at 9:05. It is over at 3:05. How many hours does it last? So you can just count this up, but remember when you get to 12, that kind of changes things. Here's what I mean. So 9, I'll do my fingers here. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you don't go 13, 14, 15 because in time, remember at 12, then we start back at 1. Okay, so 9, so 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6 hours. How many hours does it last? 6 hours. Okay. Number 4, 20 times 4 times 1. So this is kind of interesting. So let's just write this up. Okay, 20 times 4 times 1. So we know this. We know that 4 times 1 is still 4. So then we can just go 4 times, so we know, okay, excuse me. We know anything times 1 is anything, right? So 20 times 1 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4. So we can really just do this as 20 times 4, because that's not going to change the answer at all because it's multiplying it by 1. So 20 times 4 is 0 times 4 is 0, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 20 times 4 times 1 is 80. Another way to do that is, remember, repeated addition, right? So 20, 40, 60, 80, right? Times 4. 20 times 4, 20, 40, 60, 80. There you go. Okay. 45 divided by 9. Do I have? I do. So remember, we haven't done a ton of division yet, but that is okay because we can find the answer to this problem simply by looking at our multiplication table. So here's the answer you have to say, or the question you have to ask yourself. What times 9 will give me 45? What times 9 will give me 45? So you go over here in the 9s column and you look here. Well, 9 times 5 is 45. So the answer is 5. So remember, what this is asking us is when you divide 40, when you take 45 and break it into 9 equal groups, how many will there be? The answer is 5. So 45 divided by 9 is 5. Okay, number 6. Just a long subtraction problem. 3 minus 0 is 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. Bring down our comma, and 2 minus 1 is 1. 1,403. Jo Ellen brought some cookies to school. She gave 27 to her classmates. She took back 21 to her family. How many did she bring to school? So she brought cookies. So we have amount of cookies here, and that's going to be C, right? C for cookies. She gave 27 to her classmates and took 21 back to school. So that would mean that 27 plus 21. That's going to tell us how many cookies she brought to school, because she gave 27 to her classmates, and after she did that, she still had 21 left that she brought back home to her family. So that's going to tell us how many cookies she brought to school in all. Remember, in all is addition. So 7 plus 1 is 8. And 2 plus 2 is 4. She brought 48 cookies. Let's look ahead to tomorrow. What digit is in the hundreds place? Remember, place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Remember to look at your place value there. Fill in the blanks. Look and find out how much is this increasing each time. 4 plus what is 8? 8 plus what is 12? And once you find out how much it is increasing each time, continue that pattern. We've got a long addition. Then we have some subtraction here. More rounding. Remember your place value, ones, tens, hundreds. Standard form. You've seen this before, writing out. Remember the place value to write that out. And then another word problem. Brad sold 15 newspaper subscriptions in September, 12 in October, and 18 in November. How many has he sold? So what are you going to have to do to figure out how many newspapers Brad has sold? Okay? Good luck. Have fun.